G'day, it's Nathan from Paddlefish Tasmania. It's early spring here in the south of Tasmania, which means one thing. The sea run trout start making their way from the ocean up the Derwent River. We're here today on the eastern shore, just outside Prince of Wales Bay. We'll be chasing some hopefully big sea run trout. We'll be trolling and also casting soft plastics into the shore. We're working from Risdon Vale Cove down through Shag Bay and into Gilston Bay. Hopefully we get onto a few fish. Bycatch for today may also include bream and salmon. Let's see how we go. Alright, so we've trolled along. Both rods have loaded up. Thought we've gone through some weed, and unfortunately we've come across a school of pesky barracuda. Somehow Cam's been lucky enough to miss them, but yeah, both my rods are currently hooked up to them. Now these things you don't want to mess with because they have extremely sharp teeth. Oh well, let's put him back to catch another day. Off he goes. Nope, and there's the second one. So double hook up of Couta. They always have these good early runs and then they just peter out. Yeah. Been a little while, but they're still about. There's Cameron's first Couta for the day. Sounding them up from the bottom. It's all action. I'm getting attacked. I better not bite that lure off. That's my last blue bait deep.
Yeah, that's the only thing with it, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I can actually see them flower now. I've just had him on for a while. It's been skull dragging him. Shit, plague proportions too. Alright, so we've got Couta hitting lures that are just sitting still in the water and far out. Unfortunately, that's what happens with Couta. First bite off for the day, Cam. Got him. Oh, just let paddle away. Good. Little bream, nicely done. There you go. You're the master of the early season bream. Oh, he's a bub. Nice. Oh yeah. He's no Derwent monster, but he'll do. It's a good catch too, just patiently waiting for him to come out and hit that vibe.
Be silly.
So that same vibe you're using at Brown's, or?
No, this is a different one.
Hold him up when you grab him. Oh yeah.
Nice little bream.
Yep, that's not a 40 to the fork, but
No, you'd be 12.
that's still good for a winter bream though, or a spring bream now.
Yeah.
It's good that they're about. Nicely done. Well, let's hope there's a school there. The only good thing about the Couta is if you can get right place, right time when the Couta have got a school of baitfish bailed up, you get the bream and the trout coming along as well and feeding off the bits and pieces. Just going from one rod to another with Couta at the moment. Yeah. Oh. Sorry? Okay. What, in the quest? Alright, so to get away from this Couta, Cameron swapped over to Vibes. Got a pretty solid take. Thought he might have got himself a reasonable Bream, but as happens in the Derwent, there are a few sandy patches around. Just going to bang into you, mate.
Yep.
What he has managed instead is to hook himself a pretty decent sized little flathead. Nice big dark colours from the Tannin waters.
Yeah, a little rock one, I reckon.
Yeah, he'd probably be in the mid-30s, wouldn't he?
Yeah, something like that.
Legal fish, not you'd want to keep it though.
Oh no, just 30, I reckon.
Just 30?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Definite mixed bag for the day. Cameron's found himself a patch of the flat chaps.
I think it's the same one.
Well, that'll come in handy for future, the Flathead challenge.
Yeah.
Good self-release. Well, you still got him.
No, he's still there.
Do you want my net?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Hang on, let's see if I
Stick your thumb in there, Cameron.
can. Yeah, but there's hooks.
That actually looks much thicker.
Yeah, he's bigger, isn't
He is very wide. Don't they belly lift them on the professional shows?
he? I don't know.
That's actually a really good flathead.
I am going to.
It's a very solid flathead.
How do you forget your
Oh well, you've seen me forget almost everything before. Oh, this is going to end, if you can do it. That's a good fish.
That's a bigger fish.
That's a solid fat fish, isn't it? Well, our session on the Derwent's come to a close for the day. No big trout like we hoped, but we've had plenty of fun fishing anyway. We've found a few big schools of Couta, which can prove a bit of a pest in the Derwent River, but it's a good sign for the early season. Cameron also managed a small Bream vibing through the edges, and a few flathead also vibing through the deep. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for further videos.